Hello, and welcome to this episode of In Discussion With from Medical Update Online. Today I'm talking to Claire Steele, President of the UK Pharmacy Technicians Association, and we're talking about the work of the association and the work of its members, the pharmacy technicians themselves. So, Claire, please could you start by introducing yourself?
I'm Claire Steele, President of the Association of Pharmacy Technicians UK, or APTUK for short. But APTUK has operated for 70 years as a professional leadership body for pharmacy technicians in England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland, and wherever pharmacy technicians may practice. APTUK is run by pharmacy technicians, for pharmacy technicians, and I undertake the presidency as a volunteer alongside my work as a pharmacy technician in NHS 5.
And now, can you give us a brief overview of your role, what the role of president involves?
My role as president of APTUK is to provide leadership and strategic direction to achieve APTUK's mission vision, which is to lead and support a recognised and valued pharmacy technician profession. I represent and set the strategic direction of the pharmacy technician profession to ensure the profession's potential is realised across the UK. To achieve this, I have to maintain a knowledge of the pharmacy technician profession and national healthcare policy to ensure that APTUK is seen as a major influencer in shaping future models of care, creating and safeguarding roles for pharmacy technicians, and ultimately improving outcomes for patients and the public. I represent the profession at key stakeholder meetings to ensure the profession is acknowledged, recognised and valued. I work with the pharmacy regulator, other regulatory bodies, professional bodies and associations, government departments, employers and training providers to provide the voice of the pharmacy technician. APTUK is a company limited by guarantee, which means that we're a not-for-profit organisation. So as well as being president, I am a director of APTUK and oversee all operations, finance and business activities, ensuring legal compliance with our registered company status.
The role of the pharmacy technician has grown considerably over the past 20 years. Could you describe for us the scope of the role as it is now? What pharmacy technicians do?
So pharmacy technicians are registered healthcare professionals. They're responsible and accountable for their own safe practice, and we have an integral role in helping patients make the most of their medicines safely. The role of the pharmacy technician spans all areas of pharmacy practice and across sectors, and we work with pharmacists, pharmacist support staff and other members of the healthcare team to support the safe and effective use of medicines. So the role of the pharmacy technician expanded quite significantly when professional registration was introduced in 2011. Pharmacy technicians work in many different areas, including but definitely not limited to procurement, manufacturing, medicines optimization, governance, including audit, public health, clinical services, research, industry, service management, medicines information, education and training, technology, medicines administration, really anywhere where the safe and effective use of medicines is the aim. Pharmacy technicians also, though, have a role to play in supporting other services that are linked to medicines use. So, for example, smoking cessation services, blood pressure monitoring, both of which are recent additions deliverable by pharmacy technicians on the community pharmacy contractual framework in England.
So, in fact, they work in a great many places. But how does this differ from what pharmacists do?
Our pharmacist colleagues have a different educational background to pharmacy technicians. Pharmacists undertake a master's degree and pharmacy technicians a vocational training programme. The two professions work alongside each other to provide pharmaceutical care with the support of the other pharmacy staff. And I think that my message here is that we are two professions, but we are very much one team. Pharmacists are able to prescribe medicines, with additional training at the moment, whereas pharmacy technicians are not. Pharmacists, along with other healthcare professionals, are also able to operate under a patient group direction to allow the supply and administration of medicines without a prescription in certain situations. And we're expecting a consultation on enabling pharmacy technicians to undertake this activity in the near future.
That's helpful. Now, could we explore the role of the pharmacy technician a bit further? Vaccination services have come under the spotlight recently. So my question is, could a pharmacy technician administer vaccines, for example?
Yes, technically, under a patient-specific direction, as in there's a prescription, but they can under a PGD. So the pharmacy technician could actually give the injection, but the nurse, as the registered healthcare professional able to operate under a PGD, would need to gain consent.
So a little way to go there.